advisor and former State Department official. David, good morning. When I hear Robert talk about the new technology being used on the ground, I have to believe that that has helped to boost morale amongst troops who have seemed to be dragged into this for yet another year. So we're seeing small progress being made on the ground, David.
I agree with everything Robert said. I was in Ukraine in May and part of April as well, and his observations are spot on. I look forward to seeing his report later today. The drone warfare has completely changed the front lines. I went near the front lines near Kharkiv, Ukraine's second biggest city, and every soldier I spoke to was either shooting down Russian drones, operating Ukrainian drones, or running from Russian drones. And they've caused a lot of lethality on the battlefield on both sides. In addition to the drones being very cheap, Russia also has a lot of decoy drones, which are even cheaper, but cost just as much for Ukraine to try to shoot them down. They're just as hard to shoot down. And so this has completely changed the landscape. And he's right that the U.S. and our other NATO allies are going to need to catch up because Russia and Ukraine are at the forefront here. Ukraine is also doing something very interesting, which is they are manufacturing drones inside Ukraine, and they've got a number of manufacturing facilities. These are state-of-the-art drones, and they're getting some funding from the EU in order to do that. That makes it easier to get them straight to the battlefield very quickly, and because Ukrainian labor is cheaper than labor in the European countries and the United States, they can manufacture them for less money.